Newspaper major developments in the Israel-Iran conflict. 02 Iranian missiles hit multiple locations, including a major hospital in Be'er-Sheva, causing extensive damage and dozens of injuries. 3211 Israeli jets targeted Iran's Arak heavy water reactor and centrifuge infrastructure near Natanz, aiming to disrupt nuclear capabilities. The action reportedly set Iran's nuclear program back very long time. 6221 Iran's Operation True Promise 3, launched on June 16, included missile salvos damaging schools, apartments, and even parts of the U.S. Embassy in Tel Aviv. At least 5 civilians were killed and dozens more injured. 9071 The conflict has entered its 6th day, with Iran firing waves of missiles and drones. Israel claims operational freedom over Iranian airspace, even downing Iranian aircraft and intercepting Iranian